What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, first of all, so just the elephant in the room, I am sorry, guys. I did not upload a video yesterday. I had some family stuff going on. Not any family stuff. I had my grandparents and my uncle came for a visit because we had one of my brothers has a birthday today. So we were celebrating his birthday yesterday, so that's why I wasn't able to upload yesterday. So I hope you guys understand with that. And remember, leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, add me on Snapchat, I'll like with them too. Follow me on Twitter. Links in the description will be below. And today I will be ranking the NHL 20. What just came up on my laptop? Whatever. I will be ranking the NHL 2022 goal horns of every single team. I'm going to tell you, what is wrong with them and, what needs fixed and, what is wrong with them, how, I give them, a grade, an A through A being really, really good, A plus being really, really good, D being, horrible, it needs some fix, needs some work. So I'm going to start off with the Anaheim Ducks. Okay, so I will stop it right there. First thing, so I think it's iffy, so I'm gonna say a B. Or not a B. I'm gonna give it a C. I'm gonna say I'm gonna do that. That'll be another video, probably another Goldhorn song video. So it's, let me replay it again. Hold on. You guys will hear these. I'm sorry, you guys will hear these a lot. So I think they're okay. It's okay. It's it's too loud. So it needs to be a little bit softer. So I'm gonna say a C on that one. And there's an ad. Hold on, guys. Let me get this final ad. Okay, so it's let me play. Hold on, let me just play it again. Hold on, this might be a very long video. Wait, let me do it again. So it's 2 blasts. Okay, that's good then. At least it's 2 blasts. I mean, I don't mind it, but it's very annoying. And first of all, the Penguins can never win in Boston, but yeah. So yeah, that one's horrible. Just really horrible. I don't like it. I mean, it's good. I'm just gonna say an A. I hate to do it, but it's an A. Ew. What is that one? That one that's Buffalo, and they are just horrible. And what the frick? I'm using, if you guys want to go on Buffalo, I'm going to say Buffalo's I'm going to say a D. Horrible. It's horrible. It's really bad. I'm not playing it again. I've heard it once enough. I'm going to let you guys hear the song on this one because I like the song. It fits perfect with this team. Hold on. How many blasts are there? 4 blasts. Okay, well, that was 4 blasts. That needs, down 2 blasts. Okay, it's TNT. It fits perfectly with that team. But yeah, they have 4 blasts. My gosh. My gosh, why do you have 4 blasts? Next team we are going to do is going to be Carolina. Next team is Carolina. Okay, so that's like 4 blasts as well. No. It's fine. I mean, it's too soft. It's on like a boat. Okay, this one. It's in Chicago. If you're not... Yes. What I'm doing here... Yes, that's what I want to do to that one. You guys have never heard this song? Chelsea a Dagger. It's a painful song to hear. But yeah, Penn only has to go there once a year, so that's okay. So the next team is, let me go to it. The next team is Colorado Avalanche. The Colorado Avalanche. But yeah, so yeah. More Colorado. This one is really cool. Did you guys hear that? That was a cannon. They're the only NHL team to have a cannon. A lot of these are like the same. They're all like, so Chicago, of course, is an F. Oh, I hate that goal horn. Carolina's an A. Chicago's an F. Columbus is an A because they're doing the team with a cannon. Dallas. Okay, get that out of here for now. But they are, I'm going to say a high B. I'm going to say a B. Okay, this one's way, holy crap. That one's bad. That one's an F. F. Florida. This one's another cool one. But wait for it. Hold on. Wait for it. So as I fix my hair. You guys hear that? Yeah, that panther. That's really cool. That I'm happy. I like. That one's an A. Okay, that one's annoying. There's one sort of regular horn. There it is. They have like the remastered Winter Classic and their regular one. They have like 4 horns. Fix them on YouTube. What the heck? Okay, get that out of here. That is a that's an F. This one's too soft. This is an F. This one's an F. This one's an F. I want to hear what the broken one sounds like.
You booked a sunny.
Hold on, I will listen to one of my own on my own time. That'll be my own time. Okay, another ad. I'm sorry, guys, with all these dumb ads. You know, this is what YouTube gets me. This is what YouTube does to me sometimes. Okay, that one's annoying. That's another F. Wait, okay. That's an F. F. A. Just because that team's been around for years and years, and it fits well with them. It's stuck with them, and yeah, so F. Okay, never mind, here it is. Definitely an F. Just too loud and obnoxious. That Flyers goal horn's an F because it's loud and obnoxious. I mean, they all are. Just that one's the most obnoxious one there is. Okay, I'm giving this an A+. Call me biased, but I'm a huge Penguins fan. I absolutely love this one. I'm also not rocking a Penguin shirt, but I'm rocking this. What is this? I don't know what it says. I've been wearing this all day. It's cool, and I don't know what it says, but whatever. I'm saying that's an A+. I'm sorry. Am I allowed to have some bias on this channel? Yes. Because it's my channel. Okay, San Jose's way. San Jose's way. Now, I'm gonna say an A on that one. Or not A. Sounds like a boat horn, like a. But no. I'm comparing that one to a boat horn. Now this one, you guys may not. I'm not gonna say this one until after. Okay, that is your Seattle Kraken. That is horrible. Actually, shouldn't say it's horrible. It fits them well. They're on the West Coast for a reason. Anyway, yeah, I'm getting freaking ads galore on this. Come on, can I go to the? Here we go. Why is this a broken version? What the? Really? Really?
That's right. TurboTax free edition.
Oh my gosh, I'm trying to. Ugh, I hate these ads. There's like their. Oh, here it is. Okay, I don't like them. I don't. A. Not A. B. Say B. Definitely an A, because if you go to their games, they have like lightning out of the top, which is really, really cool. I've seen it on NHL 21, but oh, okay. The lightning one, I'm gonna say an A. This is the last, or the least. I'm sorry. Excuse my I said the wrong word. Okay, we'll get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. That's fine. That was the Maple Leafs, but excuse my language. I almost said Laughs instead of Leafs. I almost said Toronto Maple Laughs instead of the Leafs. I don't know. That'd been a little embarrassing. I'm sorry, guys. This video is way too long. There's a lot. There's like 32 goal horns. Holy crap! But yeah, this is the Vancouver Canucks. So, that one's an F. I actually like this one. I don't mind this one. This one's good. Got some music in there. Capitals. Ill, first of all. Second of all, ill. Yep, ill. I hate those. It's the last one, actually. This is what is this? The Winnipeg Jets. And yeah, so that is the last one. I am That is it. Ooh, good burger. So yeah, so that is it on that one. That was the last one. That last one is an A. So all of them, do you guys agree with my ranking? Do you think I was harsh on some of them? Where do you think I was? Remember, leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, add me on Snapchat, @7 follow me on Twitter, and I will see you all on Wednesday for another video. Peace! Oh, and by the way, before I say, hold on, let me try again. So this week I'm gonna do Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So you got 4 videos this week. There's 3, maybe 3 or a couple. You guys get but yeah, anyway, so you guys get 3, maybe 4 videos this week. I don't know. I will see but yeah. And remember, leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, add me on Snapchat, @WatchCoach3, follow me on Twitter, and I will see you all on Wednesday for another video. Peace!